Are you encountering the frustrating issue of WhatsApp not responding on your PC? Let's troubleshoot and resolve this problem with the following steps. First, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing WhatsApp to not respond on your PC. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to troubleshoot the issue. It's also important to check for device updates. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with apps like WhatsApp. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality, causing WhatsApp to not respond on your PC. If none of the above solutions work, don't hesitate to contact WhatsApp support. Reach out to their official support channels for further assistance in resolving the issue of WhatsApp not responding on your PC. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix the problem of WhatsApp not responding on your PC, ensuring a smooth and reliable messaging experience on the platform.